are you ready for a shopping haul? Then you know what to do. Just keep watching. This is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and more. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's enjoy the video. So listen, I really miss you all, and I thank you so much for all of your prayers for Mom and I. We are mending, and so it's very, 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 very difficult for me because I really want to do a deep cleaning on my house and do some things around the house, but I'm moving as fast as I can, and I know that it will get done eventually. So today is all about a small shopping haul. So it's not that many items. I'm going to get into it. I was, collecting things and saying, oh, I'll do a big shopping haul, but let me go ahead and do this small shopping haul. I'm going to start at TJmaxx. And my birthday is coming up soon in the month of August. And I still have my big trip on the agenda. Fingers crossed, eyes crossed, toes crossed, everything crossed, that I'll be able to still have my trip. So I went to TJmaxx and I bought a 3-piece set of packing cubes. And it's a small, medium, and large, as you can see in this cream and cherry design. And this was only $12.99. So let me get up closer so you can see. So I've never really used packing cubes before. I've been watching a lot of travel videos and all that good stuff, and I'm hoping that it will help me because I'm typically the over packer. I always have to have the what if outfit, so hopefully this will help me compartmentalize my smaller garments and items so I can get more items in the bag. So, the packing cube. And I also purchased a travel blanket that comes in this travel bag. And this was only $7.99. Also purchased a travel umbrella by 9 West, and this was only $7.99. So that's all that I have from TJ. So next up, let's go to Hobby Lobby, and I have 4 items from them. First up, I have this blue and white soap dispenser because I want to keep the blue and white theme in my home throughout the summer season. So I needed a new one of those. And again, this was only $6.99. 50% off. Then on the clearance aisle, I found 2 black and white placemats. They were originally $3.29 each, and I purchased them on sale for 82 cents each. Now normally I purchase placemats in quantities of 4 or 6. They only had 3 left. So I was thinking I can do a couples date night tablescape. So 2 would work perfectly for that. Then I also purchased by the Tasteful Collection a 4-piece appetizer plate set, black matte stoneware, and this was $19.99 spring collection, so it was 50% off. My final item from Hobby Lobby was a this 12-piece set was $37.99, and because it was in the spring collection, it was 50% off. So it comes with the plate, the salad plate, and a bowl. So look for a blue and white tablescape coming to you real soon. Next, I went to Rose's, and I was there to purchase some stockings and ran into one of my subscribers. Hey girl, hey. And oh, listen, it was such a pleasure meeting you. When I walked in the store, she was like, oh, it's the Priceless Pearl. It's the Priceless Pearl. And I was like, oh my goodness. It felt really good to know that she enjoys the channel, and she was so excited to meet me. I was so excited to meet her. So thank you so much for all of your continued support. We had a nice little chit chat. We took some pictures, and then I told her to tell her daughter, mind her business. Yes, I love meeting my subscribers. So when you see me, just come on up to me and say, hey girl, hey, and let's chit chat and take a few snaps. All right? Well, I found my stockings and this beautiful hat, because it's summertime and sometimes I just don't want the hair down. I just want to pull it up. It's too hot outside and I need a hat, so why not make it a cute hat? And this was only $5.99. Next up, I have an outfit for my trip. Can't tell you where I purchased it from because I don't need everybody looking like me. But anyway, I wanted to show you my outfit anyway. So it's a knit skirt suit. Yo, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? So yeah, this is going straight in the suitcase. And another reason I purchased it is because it's not going to be overly wrinkled. I'm not going to tell you the price. If you buy knits, if you purchase knits, you already know. So that's my small shopping haul. I really missed you guys, and I hope you missed me too. But hopefully in another 2 or 3 weeks, I'll be back in the swing of things on a more normal basis. Some of you wrote me via IG and said my birthday is coming up and you would like to purchase me something for my birthday. And I thought that it was absolutely sweet of you. So what I'm going to do is in my Amazon storefront, I will set up a birthday wish list because I've been looking, I've been checking out some travel essentials, some things to make, the travel smooth and packing a breeze. So if you're interested in getting something for my birthday, it's not mandatory. Of course, it's, it would be sweet of you to do so. I want to make it convenient for you as well. So in the description box below, check out the link and you will see my birthday wish list on my Amazon storefront. Now, that's all for today. I'm going to get something to eat and your girl is going to lay back down. So, until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.
Remember, you can always shop my Amazon storefront, conveniently open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And of course, it's linked in the description box below. Before leaving out on today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, well, go ahead and subscribe right now. I'll see you on tomorrow for another video.